Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Threads. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your Instagram. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the homepage where you will see various different threads. Now, if you wish to delete your account completely, then tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. From this page, tap on Account and you will see all of your account settings. In order to delete your account, tap on the Deactivate or Delete Profile button and now you will see the Delete Profile at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. You will need to enter your Instagram password in order to confirm your identity. Just type in your Instagram password within the password box and then tap on the Delete Threads Profile button. Once you have provided the correct password and after tapping on the delete button final time, your account will be deleted and you will be logged out from your account. You might still be able to recover your account until 2 weeks if you change your mind. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Threads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.